Some cricket news now. 3 Jamaicans have been named in the West Indies squad for the upcoming ICC Women's T20 World Cup in the United Arab Emirates. Barbadian Deandra Dottin makes an immediate return to the setup after coming out of retirement.
Former captain Stephanie Taylor, all-rounder Chanel Henry and Chadine Nation are the Jamaicans included in the 15-member squad for the World Cup. Deandra Dottin, the scorer of the fastest century in women's T20 internationals, made a sudden decision to quit while leading Barbados in the 2022 Commonwealth Games, citing a non-conducive environment within the West Indies setup. She reversed that decision last month. West Indies women's head coach Shane Dietz says having Dottin back is a big plus for the team.
It's the year of reunions with Oasis, so I think West Indies cricket we thought would come in with one as well, but it's great to have Deandra back. Obviously her record speaks for itself and her history as being a world-class player speaks for itself, so fantastic to have her back.
Nerissa Crafton of the Windward Islands and Guyanese Mandy Mangro are the newcomers in the squad that has won 8 of their last 10 T20 internationals. A surprise to many, but for Coach Dietz, the two have been knocking down the doors.
Mandy Mangro has been around the squad for a little while. She offers a lot of versatility, batting, keeping, fielding, spin bowling, so she's got a lot of versatile roles she can fill in for. Ashmini Munasar has been probably the leading bowler at the regional level, particularly this year, and at our camps she's been outstanding and really forces her way in. And the last one is Nerissa Crafton. It's probably a bit of a surprise, not really been in the squads, but she played really well at the regionals, and I like the way she approached her cricket, really fitting into the way we want to play our T20 cricket.
The 2016 champions will be led by Barbadian Hayley Matthews, with Guyanese Shemaine Campbell as her deputy. Jamaicans Kate Wilmot and Rashida Williams were axed from the previous squad, along with Cherry-Ann Fraser and Shabika Gajnabi.
The key things for our selection and the squad and the team is our variations and flexibility. Obviously, women's cricket, the top 3 teams, Australia, England and India, have been dominating international scene for a while, and domestically for that matter in all the franchise cricket. So it's a big challenge to try to compete with them. So we can't go in doing things the way we have in the past, and we've got to think outside the square a little bit to offer a little bit different.
The West Indians are in Group B with South Africa, Scotland, Bangladesh and England. They'll open their account on October 4 against the South Africans, who were beaten in the last T20 World Cup final. The World Cup runs from October 3 through to 20. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.